Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to take apart your own Wii. Let's get started. First, you're going to need some tools. The first tool you need is a tiny flathead screwdriver. This is going to be used to take off the small stickers on the bottom. The next tool you'll need is a bigger flathead screwdriver for taking off these bottom pads and on the bottom. The main tool that you might not have is a tri-wing screwdriver. You could get one of these for like $5 off of Amazon. The last tools you'll need are two different sizes of Phillips head screwdrivers. One of them being a number 0 and the other one being a number 1. Also, I recommend using some kind of separator. This will make putting the Wii back together a lot easier. And with that, let's get started. First, we're going to take off the top panels on the top. Flip them up and grasp at the base firmly with your two hands and pull them out. Don't do this too hard or it might snap the plastic and break it. The next thing we're going to need to do is take our number 0 Phillips head screwdriver and take out these 3 screws. Now we're going to flip the Wii around and take off the black piece of plastic on top. What you're going to want to do is pull it up a bit and wiggle it back and forth, gently, and it should come out fairly easily. We don't need to worry about these top 2 Phillips head screws because they don't attach the top to the bottom and we could open the Wii without taking them out. Now we're going to use the tri-wing screwdriver to get these 2 tri-wing screws out. Now that we're done with the top of the Wii, we can flip it over and take out the battery compartment with this Phillips head screwdriver. Now we have to use the tri-wing screwdriver. Now that we've taken out the battery, we're going to have to use the small flathead screwdriver and peel up the sticker on the bottom. Remember to be careful so you don't mess up your sticker. Now use the tri-wing screwdriver for the tri-wing screw. Now you're going to get your bigger flathead screwdriver and peel up this top left pad. Finally, we're going to use the number 0 Phillips head screwdriver to take out this last screw. Flip your Wii over and use your small flathead screwdriver to take out these 2 stickers. Make sure you get the full sticker when you pull it up and don't pull off a partial of it, like I just did. If your sticker gets bent up like this, you can just try to flatten it out using your fingers or flatten it out against the surface of the Wii. Unscrew the 2 tri-wing screws with the screwdriver. Now that we have those 2 screws out, we can pull off the faceplate. You want to be gentle while you're doing this, because if you pull it too hard, you might rip out the wires, and that would not be good. Use both your hands to gently pull it off, and now you're going to use your finger and your thumb, and put it as close as you can on the wires to the connector, and pull it out. Finally, we have 2 more screws on the bottom side. You're going to use your bigger flathead screwdriver to take off these 2 pads in the bottom. There's a tri-wing screw in this hole and this hole down here, so use your tri-wing screwdriver to take them out. We have all the screws out now, so you can flip it over and pry it open with your 2 hands. You're going to have to try in different spots to get it completely open because it's kind of tight. And there we go. We have it open now. You're going to have to use your number 1 Phillips head screwdriver to take apart some of the stuff on the inside, such as the disk drive. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you all next time.